Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 43, More Arithmetic with Mixed Numbers. So here we have this problem. The local pizzeria will donate 14 pizzas to the 6th grade picnic. How many pizzas will there be for each of the 3 classes of 6th graders? Okay, so I know that we have 14 pizzas and I need to divide them among the 3 classes. Okay. So we think, okay, well, 14 divided by 3 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 14 minus 12 equals 2. So I know that each class is going to get 4 whole pizzas. Okay, so I'm going to do this over here. But now I have a remainder. My remainder is 2. So that means I have 2 pizzas left to divide. And I need to divide those pizzas for 3 classes. So I'm going to take both pizzas and divide them into 3 parts. Okay, so we can see that one class gets 2 pieces, one class gets 2 pieces, and the third class gets 2 pieces. So that's 2 of the 3 pieces, so that's 2/3. So each class is going to get 4 and 2/3 of the pizzas. Okay. Now we also know that because my remainder becomes my numerator, and the denominator is the number I'm dividing by, so 3. So 4 and 2/3. Okay. Let's try another one. So at home, Mario uses a bread machine to make bread. To make 3 loaves of bread, Mario uses 7 cups of whole wheat flour. Which quotient represents the number of cups of flour Mario uses to make a loaf of bread? So let's first solve the problem. So we're going to do 7 divided by 3. Okay, because there's 2 ways I can write this. So I know 7 divided by 3 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Subtract, and I get 1 left over. So this can be 2 remainder 1. Or I do the same thing and I turn this into a fraction. So remember, the numerator is the remainder, so that 1, and the denominator is what I'm dividing by. So I have 2 remainder 1 and 2 and 1/3. So how many cups of flour which one would show how many cups of flour he uses for 1 loaf? Well, I cannot have a remainder cup of flour. It just doesn't work. So I need to have it in a fraction form. So 2 and 1/3 cups is how much flour would be in 1 loaf of bread. All right, let's do another one. So this says a whole circle is 100% of the circle. If a circle is divided into thirds, then each third is what percent? So to find the percent, we're going to take the 100% and divide it into thirds. Okay, so we go 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down the 0. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract, and we have 1 left over. Okay, so I have 1% that's not divided. So I need to divide that into 3 pieces. So my fraction is going to be 1/3. Because remember, numerator and denominator. And then my label is percent. So 1/3 of a circle is 33 and 1/3%. Okay, now we've studied whole numbers, fractions, and mixed numbers. And when we add these numbers, we add the whole numbers to whole numbers and fractions to fractions. And we do the same thing with subtraction. So this says a recipe calls for 1 1/2 cups of milk to 5 cups of whole wheat flour. To find the sum of these ingredients, add 5 and 1 1/2. Okay, so we do 5 plus 1 1/2. All right, so remember, we add whole numbers together and fractions. So we're going to divide this problem into half. So I end up having no fraction plus 1/2. Well, nothing plus 1/2 equals 1/2. And then 5 plus 1 is 6. So my answer is going to be 6 and 1/2. All right, next problem. For Tuesday night's homework, Allie spent 1 hour reading and 1.5 hour finishing a math assignment. To find the total time Allie spent on his homework, add 1 plus 1/2. Okay, so we add the whole numbers and fractions together. Since I have no fraction to add to the 1/2 and no whole number to add to the 1, that means I just combine this together into a mixed number. So I end up having 1 and 1/2 hours. Okay, let's do one more. So Graciela bought 3.5 pounds of grapes at the store and used 1/2 pound of grapes in a fruit salad. Find the weight of the grapes she has left. Perform the subtraction problem. So we're going to do 3 1/2 minus 1/2. Again, since we subtract 1/2 and 1/2, we end up with 0 halves, which is the same as 0. So we can just cross that off. So then 3 minus nothing is 3. So I find that I have 3 pounds left of grapes. Okay, and that's it for this assignment. Good luck. Good luck on your assignment.